Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Akoya. I make lifestyle, homemaking, and motherhood videos. And today we are starting a series all about how to look good pregnant. Now, if you are pregnant, are planning to become pregnant, or you've just had a baby, this series is going to be absolutely perfect for you. We all know our body is changing and there's so many things that can make us not feel as beautiful as we truly are. So I'm going to help you use the clothes you wear to help you feel better about yourself. In this series, you're going to learn the essential components of creating a timeless capsule wardrobe for pregnancy and postpartum. You will learn all the tools to finding your perfect colors, fits, fabrics, and what to invest in so you can look and feel your best in this special time. Today, we are going to be talking all about finding your perfect colors. This is something that I've been fascinated with for years and years and years. I actually did a whole entire course on this in high school, not to mention that a lot of my family was trained in this, so I had a lot of experience with personal style, finding your perfect colors as a young child. Then I did the training myself, and I've helped many women find their perfect colors and realize why their wardrobes just weren't working for them. So to find your perfect colors, these are the colors that make you look good. And you're probably wondering, why do the colors matter? Why are we starting with color? And that is such a good question, and I'm here to share why. Wearing the perfect colors enhances your natural beauty. It makes your skin, your hair, and your eyes appear more vibrant while minimizing things like dark circles, wrinkles, and imperfections. The color harmony creates an instant youthful glow and boosts your confidence. It simplifies shopping by creating a versatile, cohesive wardrobe, and it keeps you on track and in budget. Instead of being swayed by the trends, you will know exactly what you want and need, and you won't be cycling through clothes every 2 months because you just have nothing to wear and you just don't like it. Now, some of the other things that wearing your perfect colors helps is it improves your complexion. The right colors reduce blemishes. They're not going to make you look red and patchy, dark circled, tired. They're really going to make you look youthful and energized, which in pregnancy and postpartum, when you're not getting a lot of sleep, it's amazing what a good colored top can do for your skin. You're going to look much more rested and radiant, and people are going to start complimenting your beauty, not just what you're wearing. It enhances your features like your eyes, your hair color, cheekbones, makes you look healthier and more glowing, and allows your natural beauty to take center stage. These colors can also increase your confidence. When you wear colors that harmonize with your skin tone, it creates a powerful, positive, and authentic brand and personal style. It boosts your mood and your self-esteem. Knowing what colors look good on you also makes for much more efficient shopping. This is going to save you time and money when you go into a store and you can quickly decipher that these are clothes you may be interested in and these things are for sure not going to work for you, not even worth trying on because the color will not suit your beautiful skin tone. And it also avoids impulsive purchases that eventually you're like, something just feels off about this. When you know your colors, you can create a cohesive wardrobe that mixes and matches seamlessly, making getting ready in the morning easy and simple. It's stress-free, and it makes packing and going on trips even easier, and just a much more functional wardrobe that's easy to coordinate with and just creates a much more cohesive look. All of these things maximize your impact as a person. Instead of being complimented on your clothing, you're complimented on who you are, your personal beauty inside and out, making you look more rested and radiant, and the focus becomes you. Now, one of my favorite verses when thinking about how I dress myself and what my goal is to be focusing on Proverbs 31:25. She's clothed with strength and dignity and laughs without fear of the future. This verse has always stuck with me. I feel that clothes can become an idol. Clothes can become something where you only feel you're viewed on that. And for a long time, I struggled with caring about how I look. But what I've realized is the more that I feel put together, but the less effort I need to put into that allows me to be much more effective in my day. I have more energy, I'm more excited about things, and the way you look when you see yourself in the mirror can affect how you feel and how you treat people. And as a mom, I think it's so important to just spend a little bit of time on yourself so that when you're pouring into everyone else, you feel fulfilled in that way. Now, I also believe that God will fulfill you too, but I don't think that He means that you should not care about yourself or should not care about how you are dressing or perceived. There is definitely much about the beauty of a woman and how it is to be admired. So do not tone that down. Be your most wonderful self, and let's get you in the right colors to make this way easier. Because the colors that don't suit your skin tone are going to make you look pale, sallow, older. Whereas when you wear your wow colors, like for me, mine is like this teal color. You see me wearing it in a lot of videos because I just love it and it makes me feel so great about myself. And it's going to make you feel more vibrant and more prepared for any situation. So as the day comes and you're like, oh my goodness, you're wearing a great outfit, automatically I feel for myself, and maybe you've experienced this too, let me know in the comments, but it just makes all of those things much more easy to handle. So now you're probably wondering, well, what are my perfect colors and how do I find them, Akoya? And let me tell you. So finding your perfect color season is a bit of a process, but it's really not that complicated. I'm going to break it down for you. It's going to be super simple. You're going to look at things like your hair color, your eye color, skin tone. Are you warm or cool? Yellows, golds? What kinds of jewelry look good on you, like colors? And you're going to want to use natural lighting for this. And then we're also going to look at the contrast between like your skin, your eyes, your hair, etc. Okay? And then this is going to give you, if you're in like the cool, so like spring and if you're in the cool, like summer and winter, or if you're in warm, like spring and autumn. All right. So to find out what color suits you best, you can Google a season analysis questionnaire and kind of fill it in based on your perception of yourself. If you do this, I would suggest having a friend sit with you because sometimes our perception and what other people see is a little bit different. So that would be a good thing. Look up the seasons on Pinterest and see, does your coloring, like have a picture of yourself or a few pictures of yourself, does that align with other people who are being shown in that same season as you? You can go through each season and read about them online and see which one most closely matches with you, although I feel that's highly inefficient. You could also schedule an in-person or a virtual consult with a color consultant, which I think is going to give you one of the best results. Or you can take a photo in natural lighting, no makeup. This is very important that you wear no makeup because your makeup can affect the color tones and you might not be wearing the right shades of makeup. So do it makeup free, do it with your most natural hair color or the hair color you're choosing to wear most often. And you'll take a picture and then I will have linked below an AI, like a script, and how you're going to use that picture and this script and put it into like your Google Gemini or ChatGPT, which I don't normally use, but I will say for this, it's highly effective, very good, and it gives you the season you are and the sister seasons so you can look at them and then it will really narrow down your search for you and get you in the right color season. So once you've figured out your color season, and there are 12 of them, so I am in autumn, a deep autumn. Sometimes more towards winter, I lean towards a deep winter. Being in Florida, I've kept my tan a lot more, so I'm really staying in that deep autumn season. But you will figure out what you are, and once you've figured that out, you've got some fun work to do, okay? If you don't have a Pinterest already, you might want to create one. I find that it's a great way to spend $0, but to learn a lot about your personal style, what colors look good on you, what you like, and to start kind of keeping a list of things you'd like to purchase, things you maybe even have purchased, what colors look great on you. It's just a really great way to organize that kind of information. Not to mention it's great for like food and parties and baby showers and all these different things that you're probably in if you're in that pregnancy timeline. But take your Pinterest board, or you could make like a Canva picture or something, but Pinterest is a really great way to search and save at the same time. And you're gonna figure out your colors using one of the methods we just talked about. Then create a board. Brand new board. We're going to call this board Perfect Colors. And you are going to use this board every single time you go shopping online, you go shopping in a store, you're just looking at something, your friend gives you a bag of clothes to try on, you're going to pull out your Perfect Colors Pinterest board that you've made, and you are going to save the color season you are. So I would be searching out, deep autumn colors. And then you'll get a bunch of things. I'll put up kind of what it would look like on the screen here. And I'll show you kind of like some Pantone colors of all the colors that are going to look good on you. Your best neutrals, your best more wow colors, the accent colors that you can incorporate in. From those you might find like your wow color for me, like this teal. From that, and then I want you to look at all those colors and pick out a few that you're like, I really love those. Like 3 to 4 basic colors that you could really build a foundation of your wardrobe on. These are going to be like your navies, grays, your like a cream, or maybe you wear white depending on your color season, black or navy. So figure out kind of what are your really staple colors. You might be more limited in your pregnancy clothing options than in your normal when you're able to shop everywhere. And when we get into like fits and styles, this may have to evolve slightly, but kind of figure out what are the neutrals you gravitate towards most, and then what are your like the wow colors. What's a color that's on there that maybe you already have a lot of in your wardrobe? Like I was saying, for me, the teals, I have a lot of that, or there's like a maroony burgundy color I really like also. Those are going to be your wow colors. That's going to be your accent color, your color you're going to have a gorgeous dress in. You're going to have like a headband in this. Maybe you pick a tank top or a fancier going out shirt. These are going to be some of those like more wow items in your closet, or the accent colors you're going to incorporate more alongside these neutrals you build your foundational wardrobe on. So as you pick those, then create another board showing, you can highlight like, here's my colors, and then you can highlight those main basic colors, like take a screenshot of them, Google them, find a shirt in them, put them on your perfect colors. Like, these are the 6 colors I'm really focusing on. I can buy any of these. These 6 are the ones I'm really going to build my wardrobe around so that it becomes super, super cohesive and versatile, especially with pregnancy being an evolving time where things fit really nice for a short amount of time, decently well for a decent amount of time, but they're not things that you're going to wear, all year round. You're going to wear them a bunch of times in a short amount of time, and then they're going to wait for the next pregnancy. They're going to wait for the postpartum period when you're kind of going back in reverse, okay? So you'll get that kind of set together, the perfect colors, your favorite colors, what you're wanting to base your wardrobe around. And then I want you to make a separate section in that board that's color combo inspo. So use those colors, and maybe even before you pick your ultimate favorites, you look up, like for me, deep autumn outfit inspo, and you start looking at the outfits that you like that are appropriate to the current season you're in, winter, fall, spring, summer, whatever like actual weather time season you're in, and you pin some outfits that have the color combos you really enjoy seeing together, so that when you're shopping, you already know, hey, I really like those colors together. Because some of us, our brains just work like that. Others of us, not as good at it. And I find sometimes, even if you are really good at it, when you get in a store with all these beautiful things that they've curated together, you're somehow swayed into something that's not your personal style, or it doesn't actually fit in your color season. So by having some pictures where these colors are combined together, and you can see them, whether it's just samples of the colors or it's outfits where they're layering them in a specific way, and you're seeing how I love when the color's on top, and I love the neutral bottom, shoe, bag, all matching. You know, you can start to see a trend in your personal style with that, and it will really help you when you come to the shopping, purchasing portion of, you know, creating this wardrobe for yourself. Now, in next week's video, we'll be talking more about styles and fits that are going to be great for pregnancy. So don't worry too much about if the style fit is perfect for pregnancy. We're really just focusing on the colors that we like. Okay, and next week we'll work on how do we make this translate into a pregnancy wardrobe. To wrap this all up, let's remember that the goal of our wardrobe is to help us achieve all the things God has already planned for us. For Ephesians 2:10 says, "For we are God's masterpiece." He has created us anew in Christ Jesus so we can do the good things He has planned for us long ago. And in my opinion, having a good outfit, knowing what you can wear allows you to say yes to opportunities, events, being with people, doing things that you might have said no to because you were not prepared. So by creating this wardrobe and giving yourself versatile items, you are spending your finances wisely. You are being prepared for the things God has planned for you, and you're saying yes, okay? We want to complement the beauty God has given us so people can see our hearts on the inside, not just the beauty on the outside. And when our clothing complements us versus overtaking us, it allows more opportunity for these things to happen. We'll spend less time getting ready and more time doing the work that we were called to do. Okay, guys, so that's everything I have. Remember, all of these tips can be carried into your regular wardrobe if you are not pregnant, you're not postpartum, like your perfect colors. This work you're doing right now is going to be for a lifetime. Now, if you dye your hair crazy, you no longer get any form of tan, you start graying, your season may change slightly. But for the most part, these colors should work for you all the time. This is going to help you create that foundational wardrobe, a pregnancy and postpartum wardrobe that works for you this pregnancy and any pregnancy to come. It is going to be timeless and effortless and something you're going to be excited to pull out of the bin and sad to put away. So I hope all of this helped you, and I look forward to seeing you next week when we talk about fits and styles that look really great on you beautiful pregnant women. So thank you again so much for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like, subscribe if you're new so you don't miss the next one. And if you know a friend who could use this video, make sure to share it with her. She will be so grateful, and so will I. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.